The Challenger 3 is the British Army's next-generation main battle tank, set to arrive in 2027. Built by Rheinmetall BAE Systems Land, it's a major upgrade to the long-serving Challenger 2. This powerful tank will feature a 120mm smoothbore gun that can fire various types of ammunition, making it ready for any battlefield. It also comes loaded with advanced sensors and cutting-edge technology, giving it a big edge over enemies. With these upgrades, the Challenger 3 is expected to be one of the strongest and most advanced tanks in the world once it joins the Army. The T-14 Armata is Russia's next-gen battle tank with a bold new design. Instead of a manned turret, the crew sits safely in a heavily armored capsule at the front. This setup boosts protection and survivability. The tank is loaded with high-tech defenses, including explosive armor and systems that can stop incoming missiles. Its main weapon is a powerful 125mm gun that shoots both regular shells and guided missiles. With smart sensors and advanced targeting systems, the Armata isn't just tough, it's deadly accurate. It's a major upgrade for modern warfare and a serious force on the battlefield. The Ripsaw M5 is a powerful robotic combat vehicle made by Textron Systems for the U.S. Army's RCV-M, Robotic Combat Vehicle Medium program. Built with a strong diesel engine and advanced suspension, it can speed across rough terrain with ease. What makes it special is its flexible design, able to carry different weapons like cannons and anti-tank missiles depending on the mission. It's more than just a machine, it shows how modern warfare is changing. With smart, unmanned tech like this, the future of military combat is becoming faster, smarter, and less dependent on human drivers. The Bradley Fighting Vehicle, BFV, is a powerful and flexible armored vehicle made by the U.S. to carry troops and support them in battle. It combines speed, firepower, and protection, making it a strong presence on the battlefield. Its main weapon is a 25mm chain gun, along with a missile launcher that can destroy enemy tanks and bunkers. The vehicle's armor shields it from bullets and explosive threats, with optional upgrades for more protection. A diesel engine gives it great mobility, and its thermal imaging, optics, and communication tools help soldiers see clearly and stay connected. The Karlmann King is a luxury armored SUV that looks like it came from the future. Built with bulletproof materials, it's designed to keep you safe from serious threats while offering top-level comfort. Its bold, stealth fighter-inspired design makes it stand out on any road. Inside, you'll find a fully customizable interior with soft leather seats, ambient lighting, and high-end entertainment systems. Whether you're a VIP or just want the ultimate blend of style and protection, the Karlmann King delivers both in one powerful package. It's not just an SUV, it's a rolling fortress of luxury and security. Meet the Rheinmetall Keiler Next Generation, a powerful machine built to safely clear landmines on the battlefield. It's the upgraded version of the original Keiler, now smarter, tougher, and more efficient. Using a strong flail system, it detonates mines ahead of it so troops can move forward safely. With better armor, advanced sensors, and improved movement, it can handle all kinds of tough terrain. This next-gen vehicle is built to last and play a vital role in military missions, keeping soldiers safe while making dangerous paths clear and secure. It's a game changer in battlefield safety and engineering. Meet the Tigor, a tough and reliable armored vehicle based on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser 79. Built for military and security missions, it's designed to handle rough terrains and dangerous zones with ease. Its strong armor, bulletproof glass, and blast-resistant bottom keep the crew safe, even under heavy fire. Inside, there's room for up to 8 people, and support for weapons like machine guns and grenade launchers. With a powerful diesel engine and advanced 4x4 system, the Tigor is ready for action in any environment, making it a trusted choice for defense operations worldwide. Meet the Panther KF-51, a next-gen battle tank made by German company Rheinmetall, revealed in 2022. Built for the future, it's stronger, smarter, and easier to upgrade than older tanks. It packs a powerful 130mm cannon, more advanced than the usual 120mm ones. The KF-51 uses smart digital tech to connect with drones and autonomous gear. It also has tough modular armor and active protection to stay safe in battle. With fewer crew needed and better visibility tools, it's designed to protect its team. This tank is ready for the high-tech wars of tomorrow, combining power, brains, and safety. The Cockerel IX is a next-gen combat vehicle built by John Cockerill Defense. It blends advanced tech with luxury, designed to dominate the modern battlefield. Its modular turret can carry different weapons, like high-speed guns, anti-tank missiles, or even drones, making it ready for any mission. With a sleek, low-profile design, it's hard to spot and moves with impressive speed and agility. It also features cutting-edge sensors and AI to boost targeting, awareness, and even autonomous control. The Cockerel IX isn't just powerful, it's smart, adaptable, and built for the future of defense. Would you like a short caption or title for this too? The Plisson Garter is a powerful and modern armored vehicle made for military and police use. Built by Plisson, a trusted name in vehicle protection, it offers strong defense against bullets, IEDs, and other battlefield threats. With its tough 6x6 design, the Garter can handle rough terrain while keeping up to 24 passengers safe inside. It features advanced armor that can be upgraded for extra protection and has a spacious interior for troops or gear. Thanks to its mix of strength, mobility, and safety, the Garter is a top choice for missions in dangerous or high-risk areas. The Yagoo is a small but tough armored vehicle made in Israel by Plisson. It's built for quick action and works well in cities or rough terrain. Even though it's compact, it gives strong protection against bullets, making it perfect for military, police, and border missions. It comes with high-tech tools like thermal cameras and remote-controlled weapons, helping it perform better in tricky situations. With its strong 4x4 system, it can handle tough roads easily while keeping people inside safe. Its design is also flexible, so it can be customized for different missions. Fast, smart, and secure, that's the Yagoo. The Straight Group Military Air Defense Vehicle is a powerful mobile unit built to protect troops from threats in the sky. With advanced radar and missile systems, it can spot and take down drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft. Its strong armor keeps it safe from bullets and shrapnel, making it reliable even in dangerous zones. Designed for speed and flexibility, it can quickly move to where it's needed most. Packed with modern tech and tough protection, this vehicle plays a key role in defending soldiers and equipment from aerial attacks on the battlefield. It's smart, mobile, and ready for action. Meet the Panther KF-51, a next-gen battle tank made by German company Rheinmetall, revealed in 2022. Built for the future, it's stronger, smarter, and easier to upgrade than older tanks. It packs a powerful 130mm cannon, more advanced than the usual 120mm ones. The KF-51 uses smart digital tech to connect with drones and autonomous gear. It also has tough modular armor and active protection to stay safe in battle. With fewer crew needed and better visibility tools, it's designed to protect its team. This tank is ready for the high-tech wars of tomorrow, combining power, brains, and safety. Raytheon's high-energy laser weapon system, also known as HELS, is a powerful 15-kilowatt laser that uses a silent, invisible beam of light to take down drones and threats in seconds. It can be used on land, in the air, or at sea, offering full 360-degree protection for military bases, airports, stadiums, and more. HELS can operate on its own or be mounted on various platforms. It uses advanced Raytheon tech, including a laser module and a beam control system, with a 24/7 targeting sensor that works day and night, offering wide coverage and precision tracking to defend key areas. Elbit Systems has introduced the Lanius, a small but powerful drone designed for missions like scouting, identifying, and attacking enemy targets. Inspired by racing drones, it's fast, agile, and can even fly inside buildings. The Lanius can take off, navigate, and scout on its own using advanced sensors and mapping tech to create 3D maps of its surroundings. It can detect radio signals via Wi-Fi or software. This battery-powered UAV weighs just 1.25 kilogram, carries up to 150 grams of gear, reaches speeds up to 72 kilometers per hour outdoors, and can fly for about 7 minutes on a single charge. Want it more dramatic or casual?
Meet the Nikola Reckless LTATV, a high-tech, all-electric lightweight tactical vehicle built for military missions. It's packed with smart features like a remote-controlled 7.62mm machine gun for safe target engagement, and a drone system for real-time surveillance and scouting. Thanks to its self-driving technology, it can handle rough terrain on its own, making missions smoother and safer. Its powerful battery offers long range and quick charging, so it's always ready to roll. Whether it's for defense or recon, the Reckless is built to perform with speed, power, and intelligence on any battlefield.